This is how I organized the inside of the box like I was telling you guys about earlier. So I have the center dividers. I put the brushes on one side. I put the bottles in the middle, and then on the far right is where I put the detangler brushes.
I love ya. You know I got time for you, baby. I kiss and hug ya. Yeah, I got time for you, baby. Yeah, I love ya. You know I got time for you, baby. I kiss and hug ya. You know I got time for you, baby. Shit, what it is? Shit, come on, come on, come on. Shit, what it is? Shit, yeah, yeah, yeah. Shit, what it is? Shit, alright. Shit, what it is? Yeah, yeah.
What's going on, everybody? This is Mama Shy. If you're new to our channel, welcome. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Thank you for coming through. Thank you for clicking on this video to watch. And I'm just going to get right into it. My name is Mama Shy, and I own an all-natural hair company called Mama Shy's Hair Care. And right now I'm opening our new inventory, and I had ordered some bottles, some brushes, and a detangling brush that I wanted to add to our line. So you can see the sheer joy on my face as I open up the box. I had waited so long, I felt like, for this package to come. I open the brushes to see that my engraving of Mama Shy's is the wrong color. I ordered rose gold, and to my distress, it was black. Unfortunately, my brain works to, if one thing is wrong, then let me find the next thing that's wrong. So I dig in the box to open up my spray bottles to find that they are not transparent as I had hoped. I wanted you to be able to see the liquid, how much liquid you have in your spray bottles. And this is my deep breath and my face that I never knew that I make when I am disappointed. I was grateful to at least see that the scalp massager came out the way that I wanted it. Back to the spray bottles. Here is another face that I didn't realize I make. And there is my look to Julian, the love of my life, to help me feel better. And he did. So he showed me and let me know that the bottles are actually great. The brushes are great. It's a great color. If I want to change the engraving, I can always do that with a pen or something. So I'm not even going to stress about it at all. The quality of the products are exactly what I wanted, and I'm so excited about that. And so I decided to just continue forward and start the unpacking process. So next, what I'm doing is just taking everything out of the box and counting. It's very important that when you get new inventory from your vendors that you count every single piece, make sure that nothing's broken, and make sure that everything is exactly the way that you ordered it.
Produced by K-Ray. BeatGround.com.
This man really gives me pure joy. I look so cheesy smiling, but I absolutely love that clip, so I had to slow it down for y'all. So here I just decided to get a little crafty since I don't have an actual storage space for all my inventory yet. And I'm just cutting off the sides of the boxes, and I'm going to use that as dividers to use inside of the box. And I'll show you guys what that looks like in just a second. here's my London, who just woke up from her nap, so she's coming over to help me out. And there's Zara. And there's Mom's delayed reaction because I heard her. Now look. Now I'm gonna look back the other way. Yep, there we go. And then I'm gonna look back again, and I look in the wrong direction. I'm thinking she's in the bedroom still. I didn't even hear her run past, and I wonder how often this happens. And it's so incredible for me doing this voiceover and watching this back because London is really walking. She's really walking and she's helping. She's so helpful. My babies are really so sweet. They've really just been along for this entire journey. For those of you that don't know, I started Mama Shy's hair care at 38 weeks pregnant with Zara, and they've really just been along for the whole ride. London, I was pregnant with during our first hair show, which I will never do again pregnant, but we did it. And yeah, so this is what our inventory days look like. So this is how I organized the inside of the box, like I was telling you guys about earlier. So I have the center dividers. I put the brushes on one side, put the bottles in the middle, and then on the far right is where I put the detangler brushes. So I did this, like I said, I don't have an actual storage bin or like storage space for my inventory yet, but I'm just saying this to you guys, so don't feel like you have to have everything together or just have absolutely everything to start your business or to start. You just have to start and everything will figure itself out along the way. Like, I didn't know how I was going to organize this, but anyways, here I'm trying to show you the Mama Shy's engraving that I was upset about earlier, but now watching this video back, I actually really like it. You can barely see it. There it goes. So that's what they look like. It looks very classy, very beautiful. And I was actually talking to my mother-in-law earlier, and she was telling me that if I had gotten the rose gold, it probably wouldn't have been as durable because over time, water buildup or just anything getting inside of that could have it deteriorate sooner. So I'm glad that we went with black. I'm very at peace with this. And there's Zara. She's not a happy camper, but it's okay. This is mom life. And now I'm going to show you where I store this stuff. And I'm going to take this out of our hall, our living room closet. I just organized it the other day. So let's move on. In here I have basically everything Mama Shy's related and coats. And there's my keyboard stands. So in this box is where I keep all of my shipping supplies. So I have our priority mail shipping tape. I have what I use to package curbside pickup orders. These bags are so cute. I got them off Amazon, so I can link those down below for you. And I usually staple one of my business cards across the top so that it just all blends together and it looks so nice. Then I have all of my shipping boxes. If you guys go to USPS.com, you can add and you create an account, USPS will send you boxes for free and deliver them to your door. So that is a great plus to have. So make sure that you get that. And also you can schedule pickups to ship. So they can come to your house and pick up your packages and ship them instead of you having to go to the post office. So those are what I've been using as of right now to ship. I am going to get new mailers, new bubblers, and I think that's what they're called, bubblers. But yeah, anyways, then I have this priority flat rate envelope. I've only used this a couple of times when using this, they do it off of weight because it's not a paper or piece of paper or anything flat. So it won't be a flat rate, but I've found that that's actually more beneficial for when I'm shipping more than 2 oils at a time. So then in this bag, I know it's a trash bag, but it's a good smelling kind. It's the one with like the Lysol lemon scent. Anyways, so I use this. This is the bag that I put all of our Mama Shy's OG growth oil bottles that are already all put together. So I have the labels on them already. They're completely assembled just so that when I do have an order for the oils, that I already have it all put together. And then at the very bottom of this box is where I have the unassembled ones. I also have all of my legality papers in there for like vending and just to show that I'm a certified business. So I just want to have everything together. So that's my space for right now. I'm so excited to see in a year where we're at, or 6 months, even a month. I'm just excited to see where we're at. So thank you guys so much for being a part of this journey with me. This is our first business video. I will also have another video coming soon of packaging and shipping the orders that come in and how I go about doing that. If you guys have any questions, please comment down below. Let me know. There is Miss Sarah again, feeling a lot better because she has her tablet and she just feels. Thank you guys again for tuning in. It has been an absolute pleasure. I absolutely love what I do, and I'm just grateful to have the support team that I have and just to have you all on board. So thanks again, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.